All right, now we're going to be doing logical calculator. This is by Eniametz, and 89% of people like it. Given an array of Boolean values in a logical operator, return a Boolean result based on sequentially applying the operator to the values in the array. And here's the Booleans, the different Boolean values, and or XOR. And here's the XOR page. I don't really understand it at all. It's got something to do with like bits, and I'm not at that level. So, but we don't even need to know what it means to do this. So the input's going to be an array of Boolean values, and then the other thing's going to be a string specified with a logical operator, right? And so the output's going to be either true or false. So let's set up over here. The best thing to do, I wouldn't say best, the thing to do that we're going to do is we're going to use a reduce method on this, just to make it a clean little one-liner. So we're going to say array.reduce, and then inside the reduce, let me show you about reduce real quick. I mean, usually it's just to return the sum of all elements, but that's not what we're going to do on this one. All we need to know is that we're going to use this reduce function with the arrow function syntax with the previous and the current value. So right here we're going to say prev and then cur arrow function. And so on this we're going to say, what are we going to say? When operator equals what's the first one? And we're going to say prev and cur. Okay. After that, we're going to say if op equals, what's the other one? Or we're going to do op, not op, prev and or cur. All right. And then naturally the last one is going to be this XOR operator. I guess that's why I needed this open, because it doesn't show us what the XOR operator looks like, but it looks like this. It's just a caret, you know. So we're going to say prev and cur. All right. And so it's just going to go like, basically it's just going to go, let's say it's and, oh, the first one is and. So this is going to be prev and cur, and then it's going to say, oh, those both true. So it's going to go again and say prev, which will be these two, which will still be true, and cur, which will still be true, and then and cur, which will be false, and then it'll come out with false. But that's not exactly what's going to happen. Let me show you. See, it comes out 1. We can't have that. So we have to somehow turn that 1 into a something. So let me show you a little trick. Let's turn it, let's say this. Let's go like this. False. Let's say it's not this. Okay? So let's test it. And look, it says false, right? Expected true to equal false. So what happens if we do 2? Will it go back to true? Sure does. Let's see what happens when we do 3. Okay, so maybe 4. Okay, that's ridiculous. All right, so just put 2 not operators, and it gets you what you want. You know, it says this right here means just turn everything you have to true. All right, so let's attempt it. Let's attempt it with 4. All right, sorry for wasting your time. All right. Anyway, so attempt it one more time. Submit it. Awesome. And very much like this one, let's go to My Solutions. Just me. Best practice on this, and we'll see you next time.